this is Mary from the IPS TV. Today we'll continue with English pronunciation. In particular, we're going to study the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA. Why do we need to study IPA? Well, as you may know, the way an English word is spelled is different from the way it is pronounced, right? So the best way to make sure that you are pronouncing an English word correctly is to study English pronunciation. Now, there are 44 sounds in IPA with the vowels, 12 sounds, diphthongs, 8 sounds, and the consonants, a lot, 24 sounds. Now, as you can see, for each sound, I have the example and its pronunciation below for you to practice. So let's get started. Now, vowels. E, E, eat, eat, long E. And this one, short E, very short E. It. So the difference, eat, it. Next, this is short foot. This one, long ooh, food. Now the difference, food. Next, pen, not pen, okay? Pen. This one, over. This one, longer, okay? Bird. So the difference, shorter, over, bird. This one, long or. Now, or, short. Next, we have this one, cat. Now, the difference, pen, cat. This one, fun. The difference, over. This one, a little bit, open, fun. If it is you have to pronounce fun. No, not fun. This is fun. This one, long R. Okay, so as you can see, the long vowel usually with the colon here, E, or R with the colon. Okay. Now, R, car. Now the difference, R, fun, car. And the last vowel sound, this is short R, hot. Now the difference, or, short, hot. Here, the difference. R, car, hot. Now, continue with diphthongs. Remember that a diphthong is actually two vowel sounds together, but we pronounce the first vowel longer. Ear, ear, near, near. This one, or, tour, tour. This one, so we have air, air, hair, hair. A, from A to E, A. Face, face. This one, oi, oi, oi. Boy, boy. This, I, buy, buy. This one, o, no, no. And this one, ow, ow. How. Next, with the consonants. 24 sounds, and we have 8 couples. P, B, T, D, this one, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Why do I call them couples? Because for each couple, the way they are pronounced are the same. The difference is unvoiced, no vibration, and voiced with vibration. Now, for the first couple, P, B, okay? This one, P, no vibration, P, unvoiced, and this one with vibration, voiced, B, B. This one, P, poor, P, poor, poor. This one with vibration, B, B. Beer, beer. This pair, T, T. And this one with vibration, D, D. T, T. Unvoiced. Toy, 2 teeth together, T, toy, toy. This one, still 2 teeth together, but with vibration here, D, D. Under, under. This, unvoiced. Vibration here, voiced. The first one, far, far. This one, very, very. This couple, tongue between your teeth, unvoiced, voiced. Now this one, very gentle. Think, think. This one, remember with vibration, there, there. Now, next, ch, unvoiced, j, voiced. Now, look at my mouth. Oh, sorry, this one. Ch, ch. Chair, chair. And this one with vibration, j, j. Job, job. And this couple, k and g, k, unvoiced. Now, cook, cook, short u, cook. This one, g, voiced, g, vibration here, go, go. This one, now, s, s, unvoiced. And this one with vibration here, z. Now, s, s, c, c. This one, z, z. Zoo, zoo. And the last couple, sh, sh, unvoiced. And this one, voiced. Sh, sh, very gentle. Now, sh, sh, show, show. This one, z, z. Vision, vision. Next, this is sound, very easy. My, and this one, now, now. This one, so sing, sing. This one, ha, ha. So it is hat, hat. Now, this one, oh, okay, oh. So learn, learn. This one, just like sound, rain, rain. This one, war, war. Yeah, yes, yes. So one more time. Eat, it, oh, foot, ooh, food, pen, over, bird, all, short, cat, fun, car, hot. Diphthongs, ear, near, or, tour, air, hair. A, face, oi, boy, I, buy. Oh, no, ow, how. Consonants, p, pour, b, beer, t, toy, d, under, f, far, v, very, think, there. Chair, j, job, k, cook, G, go. S, see. Z, zoo. Sh, show. Zh, vision. My. Now. Sing. Hat. O, learn. Rain. Rain. War. Yeah. Yes. Very easy, right? Now, I have a task for you. Can you find all the vowels and the diphthongs in the examples of the consonants here? Tell me, okay? So, goodbye. See ya.